Hello, this video will show us how to install the RStudio, and several other packages which we're going to use a lot in our course this semester. Alright, so yes, this video will have four parts. The first one is how to install the R and the RStudio. The second is about how to install the tiny text package. The third is about how to install the biostat package. And for the last part, we're going to test whether your installation is going to work or not. And first, we need to install the R and RStudio. And to make a question a little bit shorter, I just find several YouTube channels. Okay, please open this link and watch it yourself to try to install the R first. Okay, how to install R in Windows. I think this video is very good. And then if you get a Mac, try to watch this one. And for the RStudio, I would recommend this one here for the. And I would recommend please install the newest version of both R and RStudio. After you installed the R and the RStudio in your computer, and then the first step is try to install this tiny text package, because we try to use this RStudio to create a lot of PDF files as submission for the homework. Or sometimes, you could just, if you learn this skill, how to do this, you can just create your own files. That's why I would strongly recommend try to install this package. So install this tiny text package. Actually, is very straightforward. Okay, our starting point is after you have installed the R and RStudio in your computer. Okay, and if everything is right, you should have a R like this. Okay, so how to install the R and RStudio? Yes, please watch that YouTube channels. And after they are ready, and then try to install the package. So install the package. As we said here, first for the tiny text, just install the tiny text package. You just copy this command, right? Install dot package and parenthesis tiny text with the double quote into the console of the R, right? With the console of the R, you just copy and paste that. Okay, so let's do here. We can copy and paste, right? Here you go. Just copy this whole thing and paste to the R here, and just hit run because I already installed it. Then I don't need to. All right, and then after you install tiny text, right? Close the RStudio. How to close the RStudio? You just, because RStudio is right here, just hit this cross sign. It will close it, and then reopen it. Reopen the RStudio, and then copy and paste this command. Copy and paste to the RStudio here. The same thing, right? Right here. Copy and paste right there, and then hit run. That's it. That's the way to install the tiny text. Okay, so and then also the next we're gonna install this OI biostat package. This package is for the textbook, because all the data sets and some important examples are in this package. So if you install this package, it's going to be very convenient because later we're going to use something out of it, right? So how to install this package actually is very similar to tiny text. So we have to copy and paste the 3 commands here. First, the install package, you just copy and paste it to the R as we did just now, right? Copy and paste to here, right here. Yes. And then first, and then second, you just copy and paste this library command and then run. And then the last is copy this whole line into the console of the RStudio and then hit. And then after those 3 commands are run in the RStudio, then this package should be ready to use. How to use this package? Actually, we can just do what? We can just, for example, we want to use the data FAMAS, I think, out of this package, right? We just use this command, and then we can just use this code directly. Okay, so as a test, I would say if you go to our course website, right, for the RStudio, you hit this link, you will have 2 files here. I gave you a RMD file and then text file. You download the 2 files, save them in the same folder, and then use the R to open this RMD file. How to do it? For example, you go to the R, right? You just use the file and then open the file. You try to find this RStudio. For example, in my case, right, I saved in RStudio file. You just hit this run, right? Yes, open. Hit open, and then that's the way to open it. Okay, so open the file, and then you just run the file. Okay, how to run this RMD file? You go, for example, in my case, right? Run the RMD file, you just go to the knit and hit this triangle here, and then you just knit to the PDF. Hit this one. If you hit this one, you are supposed to get this PDF file here, as we have here as this guy right here. Okay, you should have, basically says if you just save these 2 files in the same folder and open the RMD file and try to run it, right? Try to knit, right? Remember knit, you go to the knit, and then, for example, you can choose the knit to PDF. Of course, you can knit to HTML, knit to PowerPoint, right? But I prefer PDF. And then you are supposed to get this PDF file, okay, as we have here, right? If everything is right, you should get it. Okay, good luck, and let me know if you have any questions.